Myself, Amit Patel from Surat. The online short-term course on NEP 2020 organized by Team MMTTC, Gujarat University was highly informative and engaging. The sessions provided a thorough understanding of NEP 2020, highlighting its learner-centric and holistic education principles. The ICT modules effectively demonstrated the integration of technology into teaching. The knowledgeable instructor facilitated interactive learning through discussion and practical activities. The comprehensive resources provided will be valuable for future reference. The purpose behind implementation of NEP 2020 become much clear after this course. All the sessions were knowledge gaining, interesting and informative. We got to know a lot of new things and also got a lot of useful information about NEP 2020. Indeed, this course is enough to enrich our knowledge as a teacher. Not only that, but I personally believe that it will help us to implement the new education policy. Student will also get proper guidance regarding this policy. Special thanks to Professor Dr. Jagdish Joshi, Professor Director UGC MMTTC Gujarat University for his coordination and support in making this course successful. Very much thankful entire team MMTTC Gujarat University for a well organized and informative program on the National Education Policy NEP orientation and sensitization. Thank you.